All right, guys, I had done a video earlier, and my mistake, I didn't check the audio before I uploaded it, and it was just kind of blank, right? So I just want to kind of go back, and I'll just redo this real quick here. I wanted to share with you the trade I took today in DDOG, right? DDOG, using the opening range breakout. This is a pattern that I teach my bootcamp students on how to become profitable traders, right? This is one of many patterns that you'll learn if you sign up for this bootcamp. But again, this is a sideways pattern and a break of a range, which is real simple, right? Because remember, the opening is the hottest part of the day. This is where price volatility is at its best. This is where price discovery occurs. So once I get this, once I get the candles to break the range here, I'm in this trade right here at 70.74, right? I bought right at my trend, break of my trend line, and I'm giving myself maybe, I think it was like 42 cent stop loss, right? Look at this. I didn't get a red candle till up here around 70, around the 73 area, right? I had scaled out half up here, and my plan was it was going to pull back to the 9, and I was going to re-add what I had just sold off, and I was waiting for the other rip. It didn't happen, so I didn't get to re-add there. But again, at this point, once I got up to here, I just kind of felt like, you know, at some point this thing is going to kind of taper off, and I was out of my position up here. But this is how simple this pattern is. You can literally rip, right? You take 500 shares of this, you could literally rip, you know, $1,500 before 10:30 in the morning, right? Your day is done. You don't really need to do anything else, right? And again, for a lot of you new traders out here, right? For those of you that are getting a lot of your information from YouTube or from other trainers who are saying that, oh, you only need one pattern, you only need 2 patterns, right? Yeah, they're going to teach you one pattern. What are you going to do when the market does not set up that works for the pattern that you've learned, right? We're going to teach you multiple patterns on how to trade to the upside, to the downside, how you can capture trades like this. This is what's so amazing about what we do, is that you can attack the market any way, right? And then this has just been, it's been awesome, right? It's really been awesome. It's real simple to learn these things, right? You can join our boot camp. We have a new boot camp that's starting up here in the next week or so. We had just finished our latest boot camp, right? But you can come and learn how to trade these patterns and be profitable. Right now, I mean, we're still a lot of states are starting to open back up here. Right, as far as when it comes to this COVID-19 pandemic, right? But here's the thing: a lot of you all are out of work. A lot of y'all have been laid off. A lot of y'all are waiting to go back to work. Some of you are not even employed at all, right? You have an opportunity right now to learn this stuff, right? And we're coming up on the summer months, which means the market's going to be a little bit slower, right? You're going to have some time to learn this material. So it might seem daunting. You might think you know a lot about the market. You might think you know more than you really do, right? Again, if you're not profitable or you want to be more profitable than you already are, sign up for our boot camp, right? You know, I'll tell you what, this is what I'm going to do. If you want to sign up for our boot camp and learn to trade these patterns that our boot camp students who are profitable now, you want to learn what they're doing. You want to be able to be your own stimulus. You want to be your own bailout and quit relying on government officials and offices and all these so-called medical experts that think we should keep the country closed for a period of time. Look, that's fine. Keep it closed. Look, I don't care. This country can stay closed for the rest of the year. I don't give a shit. I still make my money every frickin' day, right? I'm indifferent. I'm impervious to what goes on outside of my trading station. Right? You know, it's not going to affect me, right? When the market tanked, you know, a couple months ago, right? I made probably better money then than I have the entire last year. I'm not kidding you. I made more money when the market tanked than I have when the market was going up over the past year, right? So you can come and learn these patterns, be your own bailout, be your own stimulus, quit relying on other people. Whether you want to change careers, right? You may not have a job to go back to. Right? So you may need to find a new career, right? Then again, you may love the job that you have and you just want to make some supplemental income on the side. You can do that as well. I'm going to teach you swing patterns. I'm going to teach you day trading patterns. I'm going to teach you how to trade cryptocurrency. You're going to learn how to trade everything and be able to be profitable every single step of the way, right? So again, guys, this is how simple it was. I recognize the opening range breakout pattern. I set my, I got in, I put my buy price, set my stop loss, and I just cut. At first off, I didn't even think about selling anything until I saw a red candle, right? I waited for a signal to either take some money off the table, right? Lock some profit in, right? Or to just let it running, right? So it come up here, scale out half, waited for the pullback. It didn't happen. Pushed back up, got out, right? Got out. I got out right when I saw, right up here, right when it started going back down. Excuse me, I had the hiccups there. But right when it going back down, man, I locked in the rest of my profits. Look, it's that simple, right? Your day can be done in an hour. So again, if you want to learn how to trade, you can either contact me at facebook.com/Parabolic Trading LLC, or you can head over to parabolictradingllc.com. You can hit me up an email there. If you want to join this next boot camp, I'm going to run a special on this, right? You can join for $9.95, right? Typically, the price is going to be $24.95, right? But I'm not going to do that for it. I'm not going to charge you that, right? In honor of Memorial Day, we need to think about the people who have sacrificed their lives for our country so that we can live the lives that we're living today. But yeah, I'm going to give you 60% off on this boot camp, right? But again, this is only for a limited time. So if you want to join up for the boot camp, $9.95, right? Hit me up there and we'll get you set up, right? Other than that, guys, have a great weekend. Love you. Hope your trading was good this week. Hope you were safe. Hope you stayed safe. Hope you traded smart. And if not, hit me up. I'll hook you up and we'll get you profitable. Have a great weekend, guys.